Chapter 15. Future Tense. Get Set Go. Read the story below. A woman bought a basket of eggs and started dreaming about her future. She thought, I will sell these eggs and buy a hen. Then hen will lay more eggs and I will sell those too. With that money, I will buy a cow for milk. And then I will purchase a farm. I will grow crops, raise animals, and soon I will be rich enough to buy a big house and live like a queen. Lost in her thoughts, she tripped on a stone, and the basket of eggs fell and broke. With the eggs, all her dreams were gone. Learn with me. In the story above, we used words like will, buy, will raise, will sell, and will live. These words are verbs in the future tense. They show that the action has not yet happened but will happen later. Forming the future tense, we use will, root form of a verb, to show an action that will happen in the future. Examples: 1. She will walk to store tomorrow. 2. They will play saucer later. 3. He will talk to his friend about the movie. 4. The cat will jump over the table. 5. The boy will bake cookies tomorrow. 6. We will visit our grandparents next month. Remember, the future tense is used to talk about actions that are going to happen in future. Additional insight. When we use the word will or will not in a sentence, the verb stays in its base form. This is because will already shows that the action is going to happen in the future. Examples: 1. She will play outside. 2. She will not play outside. Negative sentence. Here's how it works. Even though we are talking about the future, the verb doesn't change when we use will or will not.